Right. Here is a smart traffic system that I created. Um, in my other project where I use Arduino, it's also a smart traffic project. But the difference between this and that of the Arduino is that this uses the same system. That is, they're using the same tick time. Now, what do they mean by tick time? That is, they're using the same hardware. All right. So it's more like, oh, there's a internal counter inside the hardware that is causing it to blink at this particular point, turn on the light, turn it off, turn it on, turn it off, turn it on. All right, so yeah, I'm going to be using this as an analogy. So all right, this is the road, this is road A and road B. For instance, if it's a busy area, there's no road there. It's just like a designation. I'm putting a designation here and also a sign here. All right. So if there's a road that's coming this way and there's another road coming this way, and then they are meeting at a point, you know, if you're going to be a two-way road, if one is here, one is here, definitely there will be a miss that one want to cross, one want to cross also, one want to turn. So in that aspect, I have my traffic light, which has these two different traffic lights. So I created a tick time, that is a timer, an internal hardware timer that is controlling everything. Like in the case of Arduino, in the void loop, one of the things I often say, or that I have said in my project that involve STM32, is that for Arduino, one of the things is that they have delay, and in that time CPU are often wasted. That is, they are not stored as memory. But in this case, what it does is, there's a counter, maybe a timer is already moving. As we have time now, currently time is already moving. It's something like that. I can decide to, as I'm talking now, I can decide to just stand up. Yeah, that's a decision. I can just to stay down, do anything I like. For instance, if I'm having a task to do by 2, I can just decide, by this time, social time, I'll be doing this. So I'm like, through the time is counting on its own, but then I'm still busy doing a lot of things while I still have a task ahead. So that is what this traffic light is doing. So for this project now, I have it here that after road A is green, the first thing it does it is okay. So a good way of looking at it is this. Let me start the project again. So let me disconnect it. So currently it is off. So as soon as light is restored to the traffic light, as using a solar or any mist, that is any other mist. So we have it here. We can see red, green. So green, the first people will pass. It's telling them yellow. Those people are still in. But now you see, the idea again is two of them were now red at the same time. The red at the same time is simply telling us, wait. Some people, a very good example is this. You cannot just turn on after a red light. That is, after a green light. You cannot just turn the other traffic lights. If it's two different traffic lights, when one is green and one is red, as soon as this green is moving, you cannot immediately turn the red to green. Reason being is because those green people will still be passing, and then there will be accidents. So to reduce that, you're going to be turning on the red light at once, so that those people that have passed, they would have already moved, and they're still in the front of those people that want to move. They will have moved, and then it will automatically turn green on their side, and then they can proceed on.